we're out here. It is a beautiful day. If you get a different energy right now, like from me, than normal, there's a very, very valid reason, and that reason is that I'm more mature than I have ever been in my life, and I mean that true, like just truly. I am more mature than I've ever been today. Let's go. Than ever before. And I feel like I have more experience, and like I just have this insane amount of wisdom and stuff, and just knowledge and understanding of the universe. The world is, I get the world, I'm talking the universe. I just feel like, I don't know, I feel very wise, very aged, and now I understand, you know, when you turn 30, I'm in my 30s now, and so we only work on facts now, only on facts and truth. So the truth is, I need to stop talking and go out there and surf while there's still some waves. I am 30 years old now. I feel old. Give me a bunch of jokes in the comments about why I should feel old, or why I am an old man, or how I'm blowing everything out of proportion. That's fine. Let's talk about it. What did you feel like when you were 30? Was 40 more monumental for you than 30? Was 50 the thing that really made you feel aged? Age is just a number, but it's also a very important number. You know, it's something that determines your health benefits, determines if you can vote. Your age is just a number, but your age also determines like what class of a competition you're going to be in. 18 to 25 is one, and then 26 to 35 is usually that next range. So I don't know, enjoy the day no matter how old you are. It is a beautiful day. It's officially warm here in Florida, basically every day now. We had one day where it was really breezy the other day, and we came out and I feel like I almost got cold and needed a wetsuit, but not today. Very warm. It's actually gonna, you know, we got the skim boards, but I started always carrying a backup board. Look at this beautiful beginner board with the grip on it, CBC. Super nice. I wish this was my first board. I'm hoping to find a Grom, someone who's interested in learning, so I can give away a board. I find a bunch of boogie boards and skim boards after hurricanes and stuff during the winter season or late summer, and so we take those old skim boards and boogie boards, we donate them. Look at that one go.
Come on, maybe that's a big hole.
It's a bullshit.
It's a black tip.
Black tip. What?
Black tip. You see the black tip on there?
Oh, okay.
If you don't have
They get pretty big though, right?
yeah, you'll get up about
Wow. Oh my
Yesterday morning sunrise, Comer's Rock, 4,000 feet of elevation. This morning, -5 feet of elevation below sea level here in beautiful Perdido Key, Florida.
yeah.
A little baby pinfish. Let's do that. Look at that. Very good. Yeah. Well, it's only gonna be here for a little while. Just so you know, the final run up is on rock. We gotta go across the driveway. It's a bullfrog. Whoa! That's crazy. Oi, 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 it's clean. I just saw the beautiful A-frame. Hurricane Debby coming on shore on the eastern Gulf Coast of Florida, but we're just out here trying to skimboard and surf. It looks so fun. Hopefully the next clip is me on a wave. Check it out. Not a bad paddle out. It wasn't super easy, but we also got waves. We can't be mad. I'm definitely not in surfing shape. My lower back feels it. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Such a cool skylight. Oh no. No! Finally. It's been so long since I've been on a quality wave. It's been too long. Hey! Worth the wait! Yes! So fun. So fun. But we're just getting started. Hopefully gonna come back out for sunrise tomorrow, and it's gonna be a blast. Just want one more before the sun sets. Well, before the light goes away. So I think the sun's already set, isn't it? Oh no, there it is. You can still see it. Look at that. Just barely poking through for us. I love how much the sky changes here. It's so beautiful. Different every 10 minutes some days. I got a jellyfish right on my face. Ouch! Are you kidding me? Is that how we ended the session? I got stung right in the face with a jellyfish. I should have stayed on the board. Ouch! Ah, it stinks so bad. I ain't never been stung in the face before. Oh! Ah. That's a bummer right there. I don't know if you can see it, right on the forehead. Ah, not the way I wanted to end the session with a jellyfish to the head, but it was still 2 really good waves. Burns. Ouch. Gosh. Ow. Slapped me right here. And it got me on the wrist too, but that's okay. I'm used to that. Right on the head though. Oh gosh. So I got a major sunburn. Someone's itching it. Just finished up the very last minute afternoon session. Caught 2 waves that were really fun. Got slapped by a jellyfish on the last one. I should have just stayed on my board, but I wanted to splash one time and it was a dumb move. But check it out. We got new Perdido Surf Club stickers he's giving out. Super sick. They're like hologrammy now, which I don't know if you can see it, but they got a little shimmer to them, which is pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Anyways, nice. Officially inducted. It only took 5 years. You can't see me too much, but you can see this beautiful sunrise coming in right now. It's absolutely beautiful. Hurricane Debbie's making landfall somewhere along the Gulf Coast, not near us, way east. It was beautiful yesterday afternoon. Everybody in the parking lot was saying that it was probably going to be blown out today or too windy, too much of a drift, but I'm looking at it and honestly it looks smaller than it did when we left last night, but still big and clean and long lines. I'm super excited. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm glad I paddled out last night. Kind of got the jitters out. You know, there's a couple of those waves that I kind of backed out on at first because they were just a little too big for my liking. Hadn't been out in that big of swell in a long time. Also, this longboard I'm using, we call it the breadstick because it looks like an Olive Garden breadstick. It's very heavy, it's very dense. I'm pretty sure it's waterlogged. It's not supposed to be this heavy, but I kind of enjoy it. Helps me get some oomph on the waves once I get going. I don't know. Let's see what we got. It's a beautiful day, and this is weird because the surf is fun, but I want to go home and mow the lawn. We just got a new lawnmower, and it's like self-propelled. It's like really cool. It's a push mower, but it's like the best push mower you can get. And I like want to mow the lawn now. Starting to heat up quick. Sun's coming out. We got a breeze though, so it's actually kind of cool. But yeah, the water temperature is warm. Probably at least 70 degrees, probably more like 80 degrees, honestly. Yup.